with another video with Hi, my cousin, and today we'll be showing you how to make shampoo slime. What you'll need will be shampoo. We're using Tresemme. Tresemme works best, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but I just pronounce it Tresemme. And the blue and the green work. I don't know. I think the clear works, and I think the pink and purple. I don't know which one to use. Then you'll need salt. You can use pink salt, but I would prefer white salt other than pink salt. I'm using a great value sea salt. Then you'll need something to mix with, something to mix in, which is using the Skitter bottle, a cap thing. It's like those big, like small mini. Oh my god, her arms are so nice. We just came back from outside. And it's night and it's a beautiful weather, but the temperature is cold. Like the whole day it's been cold.
Yeah, it's been raining.
And I enjoy it because we get to me and my friends played Ding Dong Ditch on the teacher, and it was fun. And we played pranks on the librarian. We're troublemakers. She's not in my school though. She's not in my class either. And you also need access to your freezer or your fridge. So anyway, you're gonna start off by pouring as much shampoo as you want. And how much shampoo you put is how much slime you're gonna have. And the slime you can kind of play in your hands, but it will stick after a while. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some salt in her hands that she's gonna keep putting. That she's gonna put a little bit.
Do I put like a pinch? Right?
Yeah, put that much. Like the whole thing. The whole thing.
Okay.
She's gonna be the salt woman.
Salt woman.
And I'm gonna be the mixing one.
Mixing woman.
Okay. So it should gook up. Mine's gooking up already. As you can see, it's becoming a thick consistency.
The camera woman is gonna camera this.
See how it's cooking up? So it's coming to the right consistency as it's supposed to be. So the salt girl is gonna add more salt. So I'm gonna hold it.
Salt girl.
So I'm gonna hold it. She's gonna add more salt.
I don't know how much salt to put in. Hopefully it's not gonna be too much. Salt woman's struggling to get the salt out.
Let me do it. Hold this.
Salt woman's not working. Let the real girl do the trick.
Oh, too much salt. Too much salt. Add too much salt. Okay, just keep it in your hand.
Salt woman's gonna have to keep the salt in her hand.
Just hold it like this. Okay, so it's cooking up to the right consistency. As you can see, and mixing girl's gonna add some more salt. Okay, so you gotta mix that up.
And for a matter of fact, don't put too much salt.
Keep holding the camera upside down, kind of. Nah. Oh, don't put too much salt, by the way.
Because it's gonna make it watery.
It's gonna make it really watery. And this is really bad recording, I know. But because she's here and it's really bad, I know. Sorry, guys. Okay, when you feel like it gooks up, I don't think it gooked up properly, so I'm going to add another pinch of salt. Okay, so I'm going to put it back. I'm going to put it like this.
People, camera.
Just put it against there,
shampoo.
like this. There you go, that's better.
Sorry if you guys can't see, because we don't know if it's working or not.
It is working. So, I'm gonna add a pinch more salt from Salt Lady. Thank you, Salt Lady.
Thank you.
So you're gonna mix that in as well until it completely gooks up. This is better. I should record more like this. So this is how the slime should look like. Now it's not sticking. See? Lisa, put your hand in it.
Not sticky. But I swear, if you keep your finger inside the salt, inside the thing, it's gonna stick to you. Yeah.
It's gonna stick. Okay. And comment down below. And please follow me. Please subscribe and stuff. You know, shit like that. Sorry for any background noises. So I feel like we're gonna add just a pinch of salt.
And Salt Lady's gonna have to hold the salt.
Actually, salt mixing girl is just gonna. You can go dump the rest of the salt in the sink.
Okay. Yeah.
Mix in, mix in. Mix in, mix in.
Like make sure it goes down the drain.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gone.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in the freezer for 8 minutes, or if you want, you can put it in the fridge for
And day.
overnight.
Yeah, overnight.
To make it make sure it you can hold it. So you're gonna put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes, and then you're gonna let it cool down for 30 minutes, and then you can put it in the fridge for 5 days if you want it to be really good that you can actually hold. Yeah, but you can't put it in the fridge for long because it's gonna cook up. Can you bring the slime that that froze?
Yeah.
So I kind of put it in the fridge too long. Where's the toothpicks? I'm gonna try mixing it.
I don't know where the toothpicks are. Oh, okay, baby. Can I try mixing it? Since you're
Let me.
mixing
Okay, I promise you can mix, so she's gonna mix.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be a little better than this. Okay.
It's not sticking to my finger. Okay, it is.
Sorry, guys.
This is better.
That one's better. Let's go back to that one.
I need more salt.
Go back to that girl. You're not very
Salt girl. Salt girl.
Salt girl, salt girl. Salt always gonna get some more salt.
See, it doesn't stick that much. See, I'm gonna pick it up and it's sticking because we didn't put it in the freezer yet.
Salt girl.
So go put that rest of that thing.
Salt girl's gonna videotape.
Sorry guys, let me put it like this. That's better. See if it's actually recording. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm sorry if you guys can't. I'll try to record better. It's just because I'm getting distracted and I want to get hyped up because my cousin's here. And we have religion school tomorrow, so that's the bummiest part ever. So I'm going to add more salt. Basically going to add this whole thing. Salt, I would prefer sea salt or table salt because it actually help gook up better. See how it gooked up straight? It doesn't really stick when I try to pick it up. This is Biola. Isn't it, Anissa?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Just a little bit only so you can pick it apart again.
I don't know what you said.
I said, I love you. So this is looking great, actually. So anyway, yeah, so you're gonna put it.
Should I put it onto this?
Yeah. Okay, anyways, if you want, you can put it in the fridge for a day or you can put it in the freezer for
8 or 10, 20, whatever you want. Just make sure it doesn't freeze.
If you put it too long, for 30 minutes,
what's gonna happen.
But if you actually leave it for 30 minutes, the same time I did with the freezer, it's actually going to turn to great slime.
Can I mix this one?
Yeah, I'm going to mix this one. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and ta-ta, bye, deuces.
Hi.
Peace out.